In today's drive-by from Condo Sidekick, we're going to take a look at the progress being made at 370-380 Harrison Ave in Boston's South End. The former site of the Quinzani bakery and the Hong Kong bean sprout factory is now a big hole in the ground where this new residential building will be built. So in this video, you'll see the immediate neighborhood as well as that big hole in the ground where those two businesses once stood. So let's go take a look. You are looking at the site of a future 14-story, 273-unit residential building in the south end of Boston. So right now we're just going to look around real quick. This is right across the street from the ink block. That's the sepia and the sienna we just passed by. So we're on Traveler Street right now looking at 370-380 Harrison Ave. And this was the former site of the Quinzani bakery and the Hong Kong bean sprout factory. So they have since been demolished, and as you can see right now, well, they're prepping for the construction of this building. So the massive hole's been dug. They're actually working on it right now, moving some dirt around. So so you can see really the beginnings of 370 and 380 right here. So we're going to take a quick look around the neighborhood where we just turned around real quick, and that is 345 Harrison Ave, which is diagonal across the street. So this is really close, right across the street from the ink block, and you just saw the Hancock Tower, and we're also, that's downtown, the financial district of downtown Boston. So I mean, you're really close to a lot of great things at this location. So this will be a combination of condominiums and apartments, as well as having some commercial and retail on the ground floor. So this is going to have quite a few units for any type of family, whether they want to purchase or rent. And now we're looking at it from just right down the street, and we're coming up to the property to look at it from a different viewpoint. So this is right near the SoWa market. It's right near the Back Bay. It's right near the Boston Financial District in South Boston. So this is 370-380 Harrison Ave, and check back in future episodes to see the progress as it's being done on this 14-story residential building.